Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we're looking at a 2026 Sea 290 SDX. It's in the Horizon Gray with the stone gray interior with the dark gray accents. It is equipped with the submersible swim platform. Underwater lighting. It's got the Bennett trim tabs. Nice stainless steel hardware. You got the gray sea deck on the back. This boat is equipped with the nice convenient windlass. Also a stainless steel anchor. Here you have a water source to be able to spray off the anchor after use. Your windlass is controlled up at the helm, but you also control it up in the bow area. This boat is optioned with the transom sun pad and then sea deck throughout the boat. You can convert these seats from a flat to a elevated on both of these. Underneath the transom sun pad, you have additional storage. As you're walking into the boat, there's additional storage here. It has a safety door along with your radio controls. As you're walking into the boat, you've got a dock step, so you can step up to the dock. You have your transom shower. This boat has two batteries with the battery switch and the onboard charger. It is powered with a 6.2 liter 350 horse MerCruiser. As you're looking at the seating area, you've got a nice area for your cooler underneath the seat. This boat is equipped with the black sports tower. There's the release here for the lock. It's equipped with a sink and a refrigerator. Moving over to the co-captain seat that has the bolster seat along with the forward facing and rear facing. Lots of options for entertaining. This boat is equipped with the Elite Plus package, which is your Fusion Premier stereo system. It comes with a 12-inch digital dash with the SmartCraft Connect. It has the Mercury DTS system. Bolster seating, and along with the rear facing option. Part of the Elite Plus package Inside the head, you have an upgraded interior, along with the sink and then your pump out. Step it up to the bow of the boat, you'll notice a large open bow area, which the SDX series will give you. Comes with a filler cushion, part of the Elite package, and a removable table. And here is another shot of your windlass controls. Thanks again for watching. It's Joel Hawk from MarineMax on this awesome 2026 Sea Ray 290 SDX.